Welcome to the shop, everybody. I was going to kind of save this video until Valentine's Day, seeing how that's what this is, a little Valentine's Day figurine that I picked up at the dollar store. But today, Big Clive took one similar that was a plant pot with a little flower in it. And so I thought I would take this one apart and see if it's similar, and see if I can come up with an idea for our next broadcast to reutilize the items, and see what we can make on our own that operates off this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. So here's our little photovoltaic cell, and like Big Clives, we can't tell how many cells it is. This one is designed to rock back and forth like that under the light. So if we set it there, as you can see, it is bobbling there. So let's go ahead and take this apart and see what how it's made and how it functions. So it looks like we need to pop this bottom off here. Hopefully I don't destroy it like Big Clive did his. But if that happens, it happens. Not that it's something I use around my shop. Well, there we go. Just like Big Clive, we broke it here. Looks like my wires are still attached, but boy, look how small and fine those wires are. I don't know if it's focused on that, but those wires are tiny. And little photovoltaic cell. Looks like exactly the same cell too as the one that Big Clive had. Looks like they do a very good job of let's not break the wires here, tacking the wires on there, because as you can see, they are hanging off here just a willy-nilly, you know. So I'm surprised this one even ran, that it didn't short out or anything like that. But just a tiny coil, and again, like he showed on his, it's offset. And all of this is supposed to sit in here, and of course the cell sits on top. Now if we look here in the bottom of the little angel guy, Cupid, there's a little magnet, and he pivots clear up here in his body. So let's see if we can get him. Looks like he might be glued on there though. Get him off. Oops. There we go. And how do we split his body apart? Right down the middle. I'll probably have to do the same thing to his head. Sorry, buddy. There we go. So Big Clive was right. They're pretty much all the same in the way they function and everything. Here we go. See, so the little body just sits there, and as this pivots back and forth, it moves his head and his wings. And so he pivots right here at the top. So, and then his little eyes, as he pivots, his eyes will open and close. And that's just the sheer weight of the this and everything. So, alright, well, let's take this little guy apart even further. Alright, well, you take this off. I don't know if the little tweezer will do it or not. Yep, there we go. So then his eyes are just affixed back there. I'm sorry if I'm out of shot here. Eyelids, little cupid head, little cupid body, multiple pieces there. His arms are just glued on, hearts are glued in there. So we need to figure a way oh yeah, I can feel it wanting to kick it over. Turn it more into sunlight there. See, maybe we need a little bit more bright light. Oops. There we go. Well, and of course you can't see anything through there. Oops, I just broke it. So unfortunately, I was kind of hoping to be able to do something special with this, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. But we can look that up, but let's take a look and see, just off of the lights that we have here, how much voltage we get off that solar panel. And I'm guessing milliamps. So just off of this fluorescent light that I have in here, these LED lights, 1.3 volts. Just off that tiny little cell. But that could be what's charged up into the capacitor as well. But yeah. Now I know Big Clive did take his apart, and I didn't have to because he did that for me, but that's what I actually bought this for. So there's a number there on the bottom of the board, HT111A1. I don't know if that's going to give us any give you any information on what the chip on board is besides that transistor. There's the information on the solar panel. But anyway, I just thought I'd make this quick video, share it with you guys. Remember, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you're notified when other videos come along. Yep, parts are going everywhere. Alright, well hey, thank you everybody. Thanks Big Clive for making me have to tear mine apart today. We'll see you all next time.